We going? Yes? Maybe?
Hi there, humanoids. Just that girl 2010 here to give you some... I have a little list here of just some 10 fun facts about Christmas that you may or may not know.
Number 1.
12 days of Christmas. 12 days of Christmas refers to the 12... Scooter, stop it. Refers to the 12 days between Christmas Day, December 25th, in case you didn't know, and the Feast of Infinity, January 6th. Tradition has it that that was the time taken for the 3 wise men to get to Jesus after he was born. Scooter. Scooter. Really now?
Are you done? Are you done now? Number 2.
Mistletoe. Ooh. Mistletoe symbolizes love, having been closely associated with Frigga. I hope I'm saying that right. The Scandinavian goddess of love. Also, it's just another excuse to kiss somebody you like. It also has to be very awkward, especially if your cousin walks around with it at the same time as you do. I won't go into that though.
Number 3.
Hang a Christmas stocking on the mantle. It's invisible. I made it myself. As St. Nicholas has it that the latter was the kind saint who was believed to have left gifts of gold coins in the stockings of 3 poor maidens who badly needed money for their wedding dowries. Basically, Daddy was broke. Really? Really now? You are pathetic. I hope you know that.
4? Yes, 4.
In the 17th century, caroling was restricted at Christmas time, and now it's customary for kids to go caroling in groups door to door, singing favorites such as Hark the Herald Angels Sing or Come All Ye Faithful, Thou Racing Little Gentlemen, and many, many more, including the famous Bring Us Some Baby Pudding or We Won't Go Until We Get Some, which is really, really lame.
Number 5.
Holly berries are little red berries with really spiky leaves. Get too close, they hurt. The nativity scene. The nativity scene always includes the Bethlehem star, the manger where Jesus was born, him wrapped in swaddling clothes, shepherds, sheep, maybe a goat. I don't know if there was a horse, maybe a cow though. They needed milk. Or else Jesus wouldn't have strong bones. Drink the milk, kids. 7 lords of leaping? Poinsettia. Poinsettias are beautiful flowers, especially during the wintertime. You see them a lot. They are first named after the first ambassador of Mexico, Joel Roberts Poinsett, who brought this plant originally from America. 8. Eggnog is a very popular Christmas drink. Is it a treat drink? It's a treat. We'll call it that. It's a very popular Christmas drink. It's prepared with mixing cream, milk, sugar, beaten eggs, and most importantly, with a little liquor.
Now it's time for number 9.
Yule log. Y-U-L-E. Hope I spelled that right. It's basically you bring in this really, really big chunk of wood and you burn it all year. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. Number 10. Magic happened. Boxing Day. Boxing Day, the day after Christmas, the alms box of the church was opened on Boxing Day, and its contents were distributed by the parish amongst the needy. Henceforth, the day after Christmas became known as Boxing Day. So from me and Scooter, we want to wish you a Lake Kimikimaka, Feliz Navidad, Juno Noel, did I say that right? And of course, a Merry Christmas. Peace out.